On week 2, we're going to do our first portfolio assignment, and these are the directions for the portfolio assignment. Now, you're going to use a spreadsheet document. This can be, I'm going to use Excel. This is Excel. However, you don't have to use Excel. You can use Google Sheets. I know Apple Company has their own spreadsheet software as well. So whatever it is, make sure that you save it and you submit it as a spreadsheet. It can't be a Word document or anything, and I'll explain more of that later. So, and we're going to imagine that we're going to be 5 years from now, and you're going to have the job or the advancement in your career that you're hoping to have, and you're going to estimate your 1 month expenses, and you're going to make like a small little budget for it. It's just a 1 month expenses and income that you have in your future. The idea is to keep your mind focused on where you want to go and make smart goals to get there, one step at a time. And so this is kind of just one activity to help us visualize that better. Now, when doing this, make sure you read all the directions, and you are going to make a spreadsheet from scratch. That means you're not going to download any pre-made spreadsheets or anything. You're going to type everything in on your own, and you're going to do that. Now, to really help yourself, there's the All Safely is Gathered In as a pamphlet, and I believe there's some links on our week 2 coursework that has those in there that will help you make a little budget for it. And then there's some little tips here. Make sure when you save your spreadsheet, you save it as life plan _ and then your name, so I know that it's yours. So, because I'm going to be looking at a lot of these, and if they all just say life plan on them, I don't know if it's yours or somebody else's, so make sure to put your name after life plan. And I'm going to grade it according to this rubric. You got to make sure you always read the rubrics whenever you do your assignments. So, you have to be using a spreadsheet, so that's worth 10 points. And then you have to make it from scratch, so you have to do it yourself. You have to type everything in, and that's worth 10 points. And it has to look like you did it yourself. And then your projected income is supposed to be greater than your expenses. That's 3 points. And then your spreadsheet includes a title. And that's how you're going to get your total 25 points. And so to begin this, you can pull up a spreadsheet, and there's lots of different ways you can format this and merge cells and do all sorts of things. And you're going to learn more about that as it is. But what you can do here is you're just going to make your budget. So, you're going to have your income. And we're going to make a little title here. Let's see here, merge and center, and then you're going to say this is January. January 2022, 5 years from now, and that will be our title. You could, say different things. You can put your family name in it or whatever. Then your income. Let's say this is going to be 5,000 US dollars. I know a lot of you will live in different countries and have different monetary amounts. And then you're going to make a list of all your expenses, right? So you're going to make expenses, and then you're going to make a list of them that you would think to have, whether you have, a home that you pay for, a mortgage is what we call it here in America. I don't know how other countries do it. I don't know if you just rent. And then you have your cell phone bill. Then you have your gas bill, your electricity bill, and then so on and so forth. And then you'd put your amounts in here. We can make it money if we'd like. And then you're going to sum it all up. So you're going to add all these expenses. Now, hopefully you have much more expenses than I have listed here. You're going to add these all up. And then you're going to subtract it. So this is be the total, and then you'd have your money that's left over here in your bank account. You could say bank statement or whatever, and then you'd have $3,000 left. So it's just a little mini budget. I don't have the time to go through all the details here, because I'm hoping that you put food in here, you have your car payments, savings, maybe you help pay for someone else's bills. Obviously, I'm missing one of the most important things on my list, and that is tithing. Don't forget that on your list. And then again, your income must be greater than your expenses to get full credit. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Just a little guide to how to do our first portfolio assignment, and as we do more, you're going to learn more and more about the spreadsheets. So thank you.